money from eBay without any supplier, drop shipping, anyone. Let me show you a very unknown reality. It's possible to create an excellent earnings from eBay.com Australia, along with other eBay.com websites, without having to have any stock on hand, and also it's not even from drop shipping. Actually, you never need to also have any connections in any way with any suppliers, and also you can market a few of one of the most rewarding items on eBay. You may be stunned to figure out that eBay.com itself runs its very own affiliate marketing program. It's one of the most effective means for eBay to drive lots of targeted website traffic to its sites, as well as capture customers who already are thinking about purchasing a specific item to purchase through eBay. Basically, eBay's affiliate marketing program pays associates when visitors to their sites click on a web link to eBay and end up being an active registered user. This means that they have to buy something in a set quality of time. Better still, if a site visitor goes to an active auction on eBay.com through an affiliate's link and after that acquires a product, eBay.com will certainly offer you between 40 and 65% of the revenue earned from that public auction. The revenue right here is the final worth charge that eBay makes, not the final proposed rate, as this would obviously be making a loss for eBay. If you already learned about eBay's associate advertising program, I will show you a way you can make an excellent extra income from this program that is various to what a great deal of eBay.com's affiliates are doing, which is actually verified success to create a healthy and balanced passive or full-time earning even for Australians. This is a great technique of truly capitalizing eBay.com's associate program. Instead of having the strange web link from your website or blog site to some product on eBay.com's, why not create an online shop that mostly offers items from eBay? This way, you will never have to own any type of supply whatsoever to sell. Neither do you even need to drop ship products, which has its own problems. To do this actual idea, you need to do some research on eBay.com and discover products that are niche and that additionally cost a good quantity. It's no use promoting inexpensive things, as you will certainly need to offer quantities in order to realize any type of income. You additionally wish to locate items that are preferred by commonly more challenging to find on the internet shops. It's not as efficient advertising iPods, for instance, as the chance of somebody locating your site is really reduced as the competitors out there are big. To ensure that you do truly well, you require to do a little study on locating niche keyword phrases that people are looking for. I won't go into this right here, as that is a huge separate topic on its own. However, if you recognize just how to do this already, this method can be really rewarding for you. Now the pros for this. This method has all the pros of making money on eBay.com, plus the added pro of never ever having to own, purchase any type of supply to sell, as well as not having to drop ship, which has its own issues. Because you are not limited by needing to buy any type of stock, you are not restricted as to the amount you can offer. You can additionally sell high cost things, which will generate the most effective money for you. You can sell whatever you like, whenever you like. You do not need to bother to create auction listings yourself. No demand to research study products, assembled prolonged public auction listings. You don't also need to have any eBay.com account. You're not the one that needs to fret about distribution, nor returns, nor service warranties on the item, neither anything like that. Now, disadvantages. The success of this technique relies on how many people discover your site, that is. You need to create web traffic to your site to ensure that people can click through your eBay.com associate web links. To be successful, you need to have an excellent knowledge of things like search engine optimization and also web traffic generation. Obviously, you can generate web traffic via PC ads as well as other methods, yet you need to recognize what you are performing in order to make sure you are making greater than you pay for these. You need to recognize exactly how to develop an internet site, and after that make an eye-catching enough for visitors to remain and also click on item links. You need to find lucrative specific niches that aren't saturated by competitors. Due to the fact you are getting a percent of the profits eBay.com earns, you are certainly not obtaining the very same amount of profit if you really detailed your own thing. Now, for Australians, I see no influence, good or poor, in all the Australians who want to use this technique to create earnings. You can advertise either Australian eBay auctions or from the US or from anywhere you like. It's really recommended that you have a mixture of listings from various countries, and this might in fact enhance the visitor's experience with your site. Normally, you need to ensure that the vendors will upload points globally if you are promoting numerous nations. I hope this has informed you a little bit on eBay wares and products. If you like my videos, there's a button down below. Please press the like button. There's a bell up the top. Next to it, after you press the bell, there's all, I believe, and they will send you an information when I put the next video up. This is Ian Jackson saying thank you for watching and goodbye.